I don't know what to do.
That's annoying!
Looks terrible. We're hiding these. Ow! What is going on here?
This is a joke.
Where's the dish? This should be really obvious.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Tens.
Gentlemen, today is a day unlike any other.
Oh.
Before you is a mystery box containing 4 cards. Card 1 contains a choice of ingredient. Card 2, a choice of cuisine. Card 3, a choice of kitchen gadgets. And card 4, a curveball. You will each choose one of the options on your card before your turn. Failure to do so will fail the challenge.
We haven't even worked out how to pass them normally. Like, what's all of this about?
How long have we got?
You will have 10 minutes each.
So wait a minute. The person who goes second decides on what the cuisine is.
But there's already been 10 minutes of cooking with an ingredient.
Oh, mate.
Who's going first?
You decide the order.
Okay.
Cuisine.
So who's going first with ingredient? I reckon first.
No, please, I really don't go first.
Second, third,
No,
fourth.
please.
Janice, you're savage.
Savage.
Good luck, boys.
Yeah, we might need it.
Good luck, Mary.
Okay, right, time to find out the ingredient. The ingredient options are option 1, plums, or option 2, mackerel. I think I'm going to go for the thing that I'm most comfortable cooking with, which is mackerel. How do I do this? The food team have been very kind and have given me some already filleted mackerel, so I haven't got to do that bit. I'll prep the fish and I'll get some other things ready that could be put into most cuisines. Bacon, onion, garlic. Cook it, flavour. Do you mind just taking these, please? Your arm's a bit hairy today, Janice. Now you may be wondering why I've chosen to go for mackerel. It's used in multiple cuisines, so it should suit if we're going the British route, Thai. It's really versatile, is what I'm trying to say. But by scoring the fish, it stops the fish from curling back up again and helps it cook more evenly. Little bit of oil, salt, pepper. That's obviously the hero dish. Now I'm going to basically prep a load of onion, garlic, ginger and chilies. I feel like the best thing I can do here is just lay the foundations. I've got in my head like a Thai green curry for some weird reason. Time's up. That isn't my worst performance. Yeah, rating. Solid start. It can only go wrong. So let's just say 6. Give myself a 6.
Cuisine. Option 1, Turkish. Option 2, Peruvian. Mackerel, onions, bacon. This is a nightmare, Janice. I'm gonna go Turkish.
Good choice, Ebbers. Your time starts now.
Good God. Right, bacon, mackerel, stuff, base, ginger, garlic, chilli. Fine, we can use some of that. Janice, I'm going to shout for some vaguely Turkish ingredients and let's hope we got them. Tahini?
Oui, chef.
This is a real challenge to bring this together, but I'm going to leave those for whoever's later on and they can be toasted off. And I'm thinking some kind of Turkish meze. I often associate lots of dippy things with maybe some kofta or something. Instead of the kofta, mackerel will just get that ready to grill so that whoever is last, they've been nicely prepped, has got the space just to pop that under the grill. Okay, I'm doing kohlrabi and fennel as like a tossed salad thing with sliced beetroot. Citrus. A little bit of orange, lemon. Black chickpeas, there's a curveball. Thanks, Janice. Right, the reason I want to do that is I just want to warm them through. Then they're going to be blended up and turned into something delicious as a meze dip option. I'm going to dress this with lemon zest, tahini, and I'm going to leave it to be mixed up as a salad. I haven't got time to finish that. That is one salad to go on the side of our meze. I'm really hoping the boys clock that. They need cooking. That needs cooking. Bacon and onions. What the hell am I going to do with that? To be drained and mixed with spiced yogurt. Oh, I did see over there. Excellent. Typically, this would be a nice strained yogurt, but we've got full fat. Some Aleppo pepper and some olive oil. That's dish number one. That needs to go on there. That as a clue. With loads of that. 35 seconds to give them one more flavour into there. Loads of parsley, oil. That as a dip. Goodness knows what we're going to do with that, but I've got to take them off the heat now. That's time up. That was a nightmare. Too much, Janice. Delivered on Turkish flavours, meze in style. Give myself 6.8. Mike!
Okay, fish, yay. I don't know what, I'm not even gonna pretend what fish they are. Bacon, onions, okay. I think that's just boiling water. Okay, dip, something. Apples?
Beetroot and kohlrabi, so not at all apples.
What am I sniffing that for? I know it's garlic and ginger. Okay. Bloody hell. My options are the sous vide gun or the waffle maker. And I mean, what's the point in even reading option 2? I'm going sous vide gun. Ingredients gotta be that fish. Like sardines? They're quite big sardines. What the hell are they? They taste like chickpeas, but they're black. This is ridiculous. What's the theme here? Tahini? Chickpeas? Are we North African? This is for a salad. So I think we got a dip there. That looks good to go. I'm just gonna leave it. That's delicious. Can chickpeas go in there? Hey, should we set some stuff on fire? Oh, here we go. Oh, whoa! Take that, you disgusting fish. Whoa, best toss it on ever. They're done. Pitters, I'm just gonna set them on fire. Yeah! Oh, I think we might be out of gas. Uh-oh. Right, I think chickpeas might be done. Screw it, chickpeas are done. I'm going to put those under the grill. There's a chance that they're not cooked. I'm going back. Whoopsie, Jamie can deal with that. I'll leave that there. Nothing happened here. Right, Mediterranean, North African. What do I do with this? I need to turn this bacon stuff into something. Oh, I'm flapping and I don't know what I'm doing. Oh! Janice, can I please have a clue?
The cuisine is Turkish.
Oh, I am sort of Mediterranean-ish. What is this? I hope this is oil. Oh, I burned the pitters. I had like one job. I'm just gonna rub these aubergines in like smoked paprika, right? And oil. And look at this. Sous vide gun overheated. Waffle iron. Let's waffle iron these. Chickpeas out. New pitters, please look under the grill. Oh my goodness, I've done some terrible, terrible things. Okay, what am I gonna rate myself? I think I'm gonna have to go for a 1.4. I can't even touch it, it's his problem. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I've just done that.
Gentlemen, time is up.
Oh my God, what's going on?
Prepare for new depths of ineptitude as Pass It On goes live.
Sounds like a great idea.
On Thursday, August 26th, we stream 3 live shows across 3 time zones.
God, but what is that?
And you decide what goes down.
So wait a minute, we're silly.
Where do you go with this?
More chaos, more panic.
No!
Same Janice. Pass It On live.
No, Jamie!
When it's live, there's nowhere to hide. Tickets available at Sardi.club.
Right. Ho, whoa! There's something in there. It's not doing anything yet. What is that doing? Why are we waffling aubergines? There's a lot of ingredients. Is it mackerel?
Yes, Jamie.
Is it? Yes. Is the cuisine Moroccan?
No.
Turkish?
Yes, well done.
Yes. Right, okay. I've got a curveball. Like this isn't a curveball. Serve in 4 martini glasses. Serve what? In 4 martini glasses?
And your time starts now.
Lentils. I have to stop this aubergine. It's making so much noise. Is that cooked? Right, well, we've got 2 waffled aubergines. Shall we do 2 more just for bants? You know, 1 for each glass and all that. Bread. Caught that just in time, didn't I? Like a tahini salad. Garlic, ginger, chilli, mackerel. Oh, there's a yogurty thing here as well. Whatever this is, I think the lentils are going into it. No, that's not the one. I think these are done. How long have we got left? 5 minutes, right. We're going to layer this up. You know what the worst thing about this is? I'm going to get the blame. This isn't going to go how I want it to. Nope, it's just... Yes. Can't give it a straight face. Oh. Spaffed it. I'm gonna back myself with a strong 9.325. Why don't you remove your blindfolds in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Jamie!
What the hell has happened?
Have you got your presentation badge? What's it just flopping over the end?
Why have we got fish martinis?
Well, boys, I have no idea how we got here. So shall we start at the beginning?
Yeah, all right, okay. I had 2 options. I had option 1, which was plums, and option 2, mackerel.
Oh, it's mackerel.
Oh, what did you think?
I thought it was big sardines.
Oily fish.
Just scored it, oiled it, salt and pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, chilli. I prepped, hoping it might go down a Thai route potentially, but I just prepped the stuff. That's all I could do.
So then I came in the kitchen and I had to pick a cuisine between Turkish or Peruvian. And the obvious choice would have been Peruvian. Fillet the mackerel, and with the flavours you had on the board, the ceviche would have been fine. But my struggle was, at that point, I couldn't see anything else on the table that might have lent itself to anything else. And to leave you two to do a Peruvian dish to go with ceviche, I thought was risky. So I went Turkish. I made like a Aleppo pepper yogurt. I made like a kohlrabi and fennel tahini lemon salady thing. I also asked Janice for some chickpeas, and she brought me black chickpeas. And the moment that happened, I thought, these normals aren't going to know what they are, and put loads of ingredients ready for some sort of hummus-esque thing, so that we could have a number of dishes come together. And there we go.
What's that noise?
That is not what I thought we needed to do with the chickpeas.
I think they're just sat in the bottom here in chickpea juice with a dripping fish.
It smells horrible. So I had the gadgets, and my choices were the sous vide gun or the waffle maker. Okay. So I just set the fish on fire. So I crisped them up, loads.
No, this one is floppy.
Well, yeah, that was, yeah, maybe
It's still dripping.
okay, well maybe not. I thought I did. Well, okay. And then I was just like, right, what else can I set on fire? Aubergines. Like, you know when you grill aubergines forever?
Yeah.
And the torch overheated and wouldn't work.
Oh no.
So I put them in the waffle maker instead.
That's what I thought you'd done, because that looks kind of cool.
Boys, I came into the kitchen to find complete and utter chaos.
Yeah, okay.
There was absolutely every piece of equipment, every ingredient imaginable. I kind of figured out that maybe mackerel was the ingredient. I went through a few different stages but got to Turkish.
You managed to guess Turkish?
Yeah. At which point, serve in 4 martini glasses.
That is great. That is excellent.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, lads.
It's the weirdest thing ever. Like, it's weird on a fork, let alone in a bloody martini glass. They haven't roasted properly, so that's undercooked.
The mackerel's a little under.
Sorry, guys.
And this concoction underneath shouldn't even exist.
Pitter's good.
I don't think it is. It's burnt on one side and not cooked on the other.
Tell you what, this appley salad thing though, that's nice.
There's no apple anywhere near it.
What is it?
So Baz, what did you score yourself?
I gave myself a 6 because all I had to do was pick an ingredient. And
You didn't mess it up?
Well, I kind of wish I'd chosen plums. I think it's the most abysmal fail ever.
I think I'd have stuck with Turkish, but I wouldn't have panicked as much, and I'd have left clearer direction.
So what did you score yourself?
6.8, and it probably should have been closer to 5.8. Yeah, it was a fail.
Well, I just set stuff on fire, but it turns out I didn't set it on fire enough. And I think I scored myself a 1.4, which in hindsight is generous. And it is the worst fail we have ever done.
Within my time, I obviously had to come in and take everything that you had made and serve it in martini glasses,
I mean, that you did.
which is why I gave myself a 9.325.
I mean, there's a few things I would have done in your 10 minutes.
It's a fail.
Well, the question is, was that our fault today, or did Janice push us just a step too far? Comment down below, let us know.
And if you thought this was chaos, well, just you wait, because tomorrow we're doing Pass It On live, and it's going to be
Can you
nuts.
tell he's panicking?
This is the first time we've ever done a show completely live, and literally, obviously, anything could happen, and there's a lot up for grabs.
Our fate is entirely in your hands. It's going to be interactive. You're going to be able to choose stuff as we go. Tickets are on sale. They are going very, very quickly, and there is a cut-off date tomorrow, so make sure you get them. This is the worst thing we've ever done. Like, sometimes we get away with it and it actually tastes okay. This is horrendous.